Yeah, we're going to be removing this big old rooftop here off this 10-story building this morning. Kind of waiting on the crane. It's going to be a little sketchy going down to there. So let's see how this goes. Then we got to bring up a new one in place of it. So there you have it. All disconnected, ready to go. It's going to take about probably 45 minutes for these guys on the ground to go ahead and get everything hooked up so that we can grab that new unit over there by the forklift. We're going to have to get higher than that to get over here to pick this up.
Here we go, Ward.
We're 10 stories in the air. It's still going up. You're gonna have to swing it over here. We gotta get our rigging stuff over here. I'm gonna get over here and shackle to this monster. So as soon as it gets above this, you're gonna have to hook it up. Got our rigging on. Waiting for him to tighten it up. The old crane's real close to the edge of the wall.
We're ready when you are.
And there she goes.
What the hell do you mean by tag stuck?
I'm staying back.
What do you mean by tag up?
I don't know. Headed down now. This is where we're unhooking the old down on the ground. And
How much you bet for it?
yeah, I did something wrong probably.
Yeah, go home. I thought you were listening. You're still making money. I was telling you, like, you're still here. You work, they was only giving 3 hours after they figured it out. I was like, shit, nice and simple. Boy, what are you talking about?
Yeah, real simple.